Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to create stickers on Fiverr. To create stickers on Fiverr, first tap Open your application or visit the official website fiverr.com. Either way, make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on the More option located on the bottom right. Here, tap on Sticker Market. Here you can see various sticker market. To create your own sticker, tap on the icon right next to the settings icon on your top right. Enter your sticker pack name right here. Once you enter your sticker pack name, you can add description as well, but it is optional. Next, tap on the plus icon. You can upload images from your gallery or your camera. You can also use doodle without images. I'll be using this doodle. Tap on it. Here, you can use text, sticker, and doodle. Let's create a sticker using all of these. You can undo your action by tapping on the arrow on your top right. Once you are done editing your sticker, tap on Save Sticker. And you have successfully created one sticker in your sticker pack. You can add some more stickers by tapping on the plus icon and adding your own designs. Here I'll be only creating one. You can also make this pack public if you want, but if you don't, you can just toggle off the button right next to Pack is Public and then tap on Create Pack. Once you do this, your sticker will be ready. To check if your sticker is ready or not, tap on the settings icon on your top right. Here you can see your stickers. You can use it as you prefer. If you want to delete it, you can tap on the delete icon. You can hide the sticker by tapping on the eye icon, like this. You can also restore your stickers right here by tapping on Restore My Stickers. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.